Look at that. Aren't you Ben Baller, the man with the chain?
What's up, Dean? What's going on, man?
How you doing, man? What you doing down here?
Bro, man, you know, I got the family wagon, I got the minivan, but this is also my home office, you know? And on Monday, I'm getting some coilovers, man. So I'm gonna slam the car on the ground. I'm gonna get some coilovers. I needed to get that special SLiPLO skid plate going on because I'm about to, I mean, it's lowered down.
Yeah.
But it's lowered on springs. I'm about to get coilovers and bring it all the way down. So I kind of scraped by my mailbox and by my office, and you put the skid plate on my pista, so I got to do it. You know
that
what
worked. Now you got the family car, gonna get protected.
Yeah.
All right,
Got to get the whole fucking thing. Boom.
Let's do it, baby. We're protected.
Yeah, man. Thank you, brother.
You got it.
Yeah. Be completely honest, like you guys have revolutionized the skid plate game.
Right.
Like you've changed the entire way skid plates be made now. Having exotic cars for the last 15 years, and where skid plates have gone and how essential they were, but how invasive they were. Now you've made a no-brainer, like just clean thing for a fucking minivan.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It could be on anything. You have a low car, any low life, any Asian person. You know what I mean? Because they have their cars low. Thank you so much, dude.
I appreciate
Congrats,
it,
brother.
Thank
you, man.
Yeah, pull up on your driveway, vibing in the summer, but all you seem to get are scratches on your lower bumper. Driving 2 miles an hour every single day, but when you pulling out, all you hearing is a scrape. SLiPLO, it's a universal skid plate. Keep your Lambo or Rari protected on your driveway. Yeah, now you can drive carefree.